Allah is Aleem, which means Allah knows everything. When you look at a tall building, you think the builder is very smart and knows a lot about building things. When you look at a beautiful picture, you think the person drawing it is very creative and knows a lot about drawing. When you look at a fast airplane, you think the person that made it is very clever and knows a lot about making machines. When you look at a farm, you think the farmer is very good at growing things and knows a lot about farming. Who made the earth? Who made the animals and the birds? Who made the flowers and the trees? Allah did. He makes everything perfect because Allah knows best. He is Al-Aleem. When I look in the mirror, I know Allah created me beautiful and wise. If my eyes were on my feet, would I be able to see? No. Allah has created me perfect. He is Al-Aleem. Allah put fingers on my hands so I can pick things up easily. Allah knows everything. He is Al-Aleem. Allah put teeth in my mouth so I can bite into yummy things. Allah knows everything. He is Al-Aleem. Thank you, Allah, for making everything so perfect.